What's up, Don Mostacho, our recipe friends? Today's recipe is steak burritos. Let's look at our ingredients. Our main ingredient is 1 kilo of giant flour tortillas, 1 kilo of chopped steak, a small cup of refried beans, 1 large onion and 2 serrano peppers, 100 grams of manchego cheese, a tablespoon and a half of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of seasoning juice, and to accompany we have an avocado, half a tomato, half a quarter of an onion, and 50 grams of grated cheese. Our first step is going to be to stir our salt with the pepper, and we are going to season our steaks to let them rest for a while. Now we are going to cut our onion into half slices. We are going to slice it all like this. Now we are going to chop our chili as you like, either in slices, chopped, or in strips. In a pan already on the fire, we are going to add a little of cooking oil to fry our steak. We add our steak and we are going to try to brown it. But before it is browned, we are going to add the onion and the chili. When our steak begins to take on a good color, we are going to add the seasoned juice and stir it well. Since our steak is almost dry, look, it almost has no juice left. Then we're going to add the onions and our chili. We're going to stir it very well, and we're going to let it stir until, well, we're going to keep stirring, but we're going to let it go until the onions begin to brown. Since our steak was done, look, the onion is almost gone. Only here and there it has 1 or 2 green chilies that aren't quite right. But the steak is already completely cooked, and the onion too. Then we can remove it from the heat. Then we're going to put a comel or a template on the heat. Our comel or template is on low heat because these tortillas burn very quickly. So it has to be on low heat. We're going to warm them up a little so that they can fold well, because if not, they will break. We're going to circle them 2 or 3 times and then turn them over. We're not going to let them brown. Since we have heated our tortilla, we're going to remove it from the heat, then we're going to fill it. We're going to put the cheese on it, beans. We're going to smear them a little bit, making sure that the edges are free so we can fold them, and we're going to put our steak on it so that the cheese melts, but we're going to be stirring constantly so that they don't brown too much, and once we have them made, then we're going to be able to put them on a plate so that they can be preserved, and we put the lid on them that we use to heat them in the oven. While our burritos are ready, we can chop our onion, our tomato, and the avocado. When serving, you can put a bed of lettuce on them. Well, maybe a bigger lettuce, right? Because this one was a little small, and we're going to put the avocado salad that we prepared on it. And we're going to put a little cheese on top so we can enjoy it. Don't forget that we have these various stews with which they take the burritos like the cochinita pibil, alambre, and I'll leave the link in the description. Let's eat burritos. It has been said,